Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome to this English graded reader lesson. This lesson will help you improve your English listening, reading, vocabulary and speaking skills. At the same time, it will also teach us a very important life message, how valuable time is and why we should use it wisely. So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after me when I ask you to. Let's begin. Human life is one of the most precious gifts in the world. Every person is born with hopes, dreams, and possibilities. However, one important truth that everyone must understand is that human life is short. Time passes very quickly, and before we realize it, many years are gone. Because life is short, it is very important for us to use our time wisely. We should try to live a meaningful life, help others, follow our dreams, and appreciate every moment we have. Understanding the value of life helps us become better people and make better decisions. The value of human life. Human life is valuable because it gives us the opportunity to learn, grow, and make a difference in the world. Unlike other living creatures, humans have the ability to think deeply, create ideas, build societies, and improve the world around them. Every human life has a purpose. Some people become teachers, doctors, scientists, artists, or leaders. Others help their families and communities in simple but important ways. No matter what path we choose, our life becomes meaningful when we use our time to do something good. Time passes quickly. One of the most surprising things about life is how fast time moves. When we are children, life feels long and slow. We spend our days playing, learning, and exploring the world. But as we grow older, we begin to notice that days, months, and years pass very quickly. This is why many wise people say time once lost can never be returned. Because of this, we should never waste our valuable time on meaningless activities. The importance of using time wisely. Since life is short, it is very important to use time wisely. Many people delay their dreams. They say, I will start tomorrow. I will work hard later. I will follow my dreams someday. But tomorrow is not always guaranteed. Successful people understand the importance of time. They start working toward their goals early. They learn new skills, develop good habits, and stay focused on their dreams. Using time wisely does not only mean working all the time, it also means spending time with family, helping others, learning new things. Taking care of our health, enjoying simple moments in life. A balanced life is a happy life. The importance of relationships. Another important part of life is our relationships with other people. Family, friends, teachers, and neighbors play a big role in our happiness. Because life is short, we should never ignore the people who care about us. Many people become too busy with work and forget to spend time with their loved ones. Later in life, they realize that those moments cannot be returned. Kind words, love, respect, and understanding make life beautiful. A simple conversation with parents, a smile to a friend, or helping someone in need can create memories that last forever. Education is not only about school or university. Life itself is a teacher. Every experience teaches us something new. We learn from success and failure. We learn from challenges and mistakes. People who keep learning continue to grow as individuals. They become wiser, more confident, and more capable. Learning new skills, reading books, exploring ideas, and improving ourselves make life meaningful. Facing challenges in life. Life is not always easy. Everyone faces difficulties and challenges at some point. Sometimes we fail in exams. Sometimes we lose opportunities. Sometimes life does not go according to our plans. But challenges are part of life. Instead of giving up, we should learn from these experiences. Difficult situations often make us stronger and wiser. A positive attitude helps us overcome obstacles and continue moving forward. Human life is short but very precious. Time moves quickly and every moment is important. Therefore, we should use our time wisely, follow our dreams, maintain strong relationships, and continue learning throughout our lives. We should try to live with kindness, honesty, and purpose. If we appreciate each day and make positive choices, our life will become meaningful and fulfilling. As many wise people say, life is short, but it can be beautiful if we live it wisely. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.